Welcome to another Backroad Reviews. My name is Ryan, and in this review we're going to talk about the LG water filter for our refrigerator here. We've used these a number of different times since we've had this refrigerator, and wanted to discuss why it's important to get a quality water filter. So it's very small, comes wrapped up in a cellophane and has a cap on it to protect the threads, and it has double O-rings on here for leak protection. What I found that I really liked about this is it has the ability to filter out things that other water filters don't, such as pharmaceuticals, insect repellent, herbicides, 99% or almost all of heavy metals. It's really a diverse filter for how small it is. So you can see what that looks like. And now we're going to install it in the fridge. So we're going to pop the lid open. We're going to pull the old one out. It's also a good idea to put a date on your cartridge. And then we will tell the refrigerator that it has a new cartridge. So the LG water filter is really a great filter. Again, we've used a number of them already since we've had this new fridge, and they just work. And the fridge tells you when it's time to change them, or you can change them more often if you notice water starting to slow down. We have well water here, so it's important to put this filter in line. My name's Ryan with Backroad Reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.